Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Well, look what we have here. We have a Matterport Pro 3 tripod mount. This came in the mail today. Got it courtesy of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. I've seen some issues pop up online about these breaking or coming loose, and so we're going to do a test here. So I purchased one. First time opening it up. You'll be able to see what's in here with me. And we have tripod mount. It's actually packaged really nicely in here. So I have one and it works great. I've seen some reports of this coming loose and this one coming loose right here. And there's no visible screws on how to get this opened. But as I was looking at the one I currently have, I was playing around with the bottom here and I felt an indentation right here, right there, and right there. So there's 3 indentations, and what I thought I would do is open this up and see what's under here. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to use my X-Acto knife and try to get under here. If this doesn't work, I have a backup plan. And so this is just a sticker. I'm going to use the dull side so it doesn't cut through it as much as possible. I already ripped it. Okay. So I definitely ripped it. But if we peel this back, you'll see we have an Allen head right there. I think that's Allen. Might be a star. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut around here. Cut that one off. And then we'll got a little stickers. All right, we're going to cut around here. We'll cut around this one. So now we've exposed all of them. I'm going to grab my trusty toolkit here and see what we have. Way too big. Way too small. We're getting there. All right, so it appears that this is a T8 star shape head. So we're going to try that and see if it'll come out. There's one. There's 2. here's 3. So now we have all 3 out. Again, that's a T8 star. Now I think we should be able to just push this out a little bit. Maybe not. We're going to loosen this. Still kind of tight in there. Maybe it's pressed in. Okay, let's take this one off. Okay, so we have that out. Now what can we take apart? Off comes this piece. Still in there pretty tight. Again, I'm not sure if this is pressed in. What I can try to do is wedge it out, but I don't want to do too much damage to this. Oh, man, I marked it up. Move slightly. But it's definitely not budging out, which is a good thing. So what I'm going to say is those that are having issues with this, it could just be an anomaly. I recently received a battery that was defective. It wasn't the clasp on it wasn't staying open when it should, which is what holds it into the bottom of the camera. So it's defective. So those that have this mount, if this piece is separating from this piece and these bearings that are inside here have fallen out, then I'm pretty sure you might have just got a defective one, and I would return it as soon as possible to wherever you bought it from, because as you saw, I just tried with a decent amount of force to get this one open, and it was a no-go. So that was our little experiment for today. I'm going to put this back together and keep this in my case as a spare should I ever need it. Kind of a pricey little mount, but it is what it is. If you have any comments about this, leave them below. If you find this video useful, go ahead and share it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. I'm just going to screw this back on like so. Sure it's nice and tight in there. Okay, not too tight. Still want to be able to clasp it down, which you can do, and it turns the same as it was before. So yeah, that's it. It's all back together. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.